Morning students. Today we will start with integers. As we already know, for each natural number a, we have taken a natural number a, then there is a number minus a such that a plus minus a equal to 0. This thing we have already studied, that we have taken a natural number a, then there exists another number that is minus a, then this summation is equal to 0. For example, 1, it is a natural number, and there exists another number that is minus 1. When we will add these two numbers, we will get 0. Similarly, 2 plus minus 2 equal to 0, 3 plus minus 3 equal to 0. Now, the definition of integers: the collection of whole numbers and the negative numbers. Whole numbers start from 0, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, and all the negative numbers is known as integers. For example, minus 5, minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 so on are integers. The integer 0 is neither negative nor positive. Here is a number line. This is 0. This is an integer, but it is neither negative nor positive. And in the right hand side, in the right hand side, all the positive numbers are there, and these are positive integers. 0 is an integer, but it is neither negative nor positive. In the right hand side, the number goes on increasing. Then in the left hand side of 0, we get all the negative integers, and if we go away from 0 in the left hand side, the number goes on decreasing. In this direction, the integers goes on decreasing, and in this direction, the integer goes on increasing. So all the negative numbers, all the positive numbers including 0 are called integers. Integer, it is a collection of whole numbers and the negative numbers. Now next is, as integers are represented by positive or negative sign, they are also known as directed numbers. Integers are also known as directed numbers because integers are represented by positive or negative sign. Now next is absolute value of an integer. Absolute value of an integer. The absolute value of an integer is the whole number obtained by disregarding its sign. Now, disregarding means without any sign. The absolute value of an integer is a whole number. Whole number starts from 0. Whole number starts from 0. It is obtained by disregarding its sign. Disregarding means without sign. इसका मतलब है किसी भी इंटीजर का अगर एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू निकालना होगा तो हमें हमेशा होल नंबर मिलेगा, और होल नंबर हमेशा 0 से शुरू होता है, और हमको कोई भी साइन नहीं लेना है, चाहे वो पॉजिटिव साइन हो चाहे वो नेगेटिव साइन. देन द एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ एन इंटीजर a, we have taken an integer a, then we can write it like this. Absolute value of integer a can be written like this. This is the modulus sign, this mod sign, and inside this an integer is written. We can represent absolute value of an integer like this: two straight lines, and inside this an integer. Now absolute value of minus 7 can be written like this: these two straight lines, inside this an integer is there, and this is a negative integer. So the absolute value of minus 7 is 7. The absolute value of plus 5 is 5. Absolute value of 0 is 0. We have to disregard the minus sign. Then the absolute value of minus 7 is 7. We will disregard the plus sign. then we will get 5. Absolute value of 0 is 0. The absolute value of an integer is the whole number. We will always get the whole number. It is obtained by disregarding its sign. Disregarding means without any sign. The absolute value of an integer a, we have taken any integer a and it can be represented like this. A can be any integer, whether it is negative or positive, doesn't matter, but and we will always get a whole number without any sign. To find the absolute value of any integer, we will get the whole number without any sign. Next, few examples are there. Find the value of, it is the absolute value of plus 33. We will get 33. We have disregard the positive sign. Then it is a absolute sign. Inside this 6 minus 8 is written. First we will solve 6 minus 8. We will get minus 2. Then absolute value of minus 2 is 2. Now third part, 18 minus 8. Inside this absolute sign we will simplify this. 18 minus 8 is 10. Then modulus of 10 is 10. It means it is plus 10 na. The modulus of plus 10 is 10. Now fourth part, modulus absolute value of minus 3 minus modulus 6 minus 2. Absolute value of minus 3 is 3. Then we will solve this 6 minus 2, we will get 4 with the absolute sign. The absolute value of 4 is 4. 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Absolute value of minus 12 is 12. Absolute value of plus 6 is 6. Then absolute value of minus 3 is 3. Then first we will simplify this absolute value part. After this we will do the further simplification. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 minus 3 is 15. Now comparison of integers. All positive integers is greater than 0. This everybody knows. All negative integers is less than 0. This thing is also everybody knows. Every positive integer is always greater than every negative integers. If now third point is important. The first 2 points you have already studied, that all positive integers are greater than 0 and all negative integers are less than 0. Every positive integer is always greater than all negative integers. Given now third point, given two positive integers. If two positive integers are given, the one with the bigger absolute value is greater. Two positive numbers are given. If we find the absolute value of these two numbers, we will get 10 and 20. Then the number with the bigger absolute value is greater. It means here plus 20 is greater, here plus 199 is greater. Now next, given two negative integers, the one with the smaller absolute value